Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 5 Mathematics Olympiad. And in class 5 Mathematics Olympiad, which chapter we are going to read? We are going to start a new chapter, that is temperature. Okay, so are you all ready for it? Yes, so let's get started. Our first question, 30 degrees centigrade is equal to dash degree Fahrenheit. Option A 86 degree Fahrenheit, B 70 degree Fahrenheit, C 76 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so in the question temperature is given in degree centigrade and we have to convert it into Fahrenheit. Okay, so how we can do that? So the formula that is equal to for finding or converting into degree Fahrenheit, it is equal to degree centigrade. Just a minute. Degree centigrade into 9 by 5 plus 32. Okay. So degree centigrade it is 30 given as per the question into 9 by 5 plus 32. Right. So that is equal to 5 30 we can cancel it with 6, so 6 9 that is 54 plus 32. Okay, so that will be 86 degree Fahrenheit. So here the correct answer is option A, 86 degree Fahrenheit. Got it? Coming to the next question, 212 degree Fahrenheit is equal to dash degree centigrade. Option A 100 degree centigrade, B 90 degree centigrade, C 110 degree centigrade. So how to convert degree Fahrenheit into centigrade? So degree centigrade equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. Okay. So degree Fahrenheit value given is 212 minus 32 into 5 by 9. So 212 minus 32, that will be 180 into 5 by 9. So it will be cancelled with 20. So 20 into 5, that will be 100. 100 degree centigrade. Right? So correct answer is option A. Got it everyone? Yes, you just need to remember the formulas. Coming to the next question. In Fahrenheit unit, water freezes at option A 32 degree Fahrenheit, B 30 degree Fahrenheit, C 4 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so we have to find out in Fahrenheit unit water freezes at what temperature. Water freezes at what temperature? We all know it. It is at 0 degree centigrade. Okay, so we have to convert 0 degree centigrade into Fahrenheit. So we can easily do that, right? How we can do that? That is as per the formula. It is what is the the thing, degree centigrade into 9 by 5 plus 32. So degree centigrade it is 0. So 0 into 9 by 5 plus 32. 0 into 9 by 5, that is 0, plus 32 is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, that is present in option A. You can just remember it as well that in Fahrenheit unit water freezes at 32 degree Fahrenheit. Got it? Coming to the next question. In Fahrenheit unit water boils at option A 212 degree Fahrenheit, B 312 degree Fahrenheit, C 112 degree Fahrenheit. So in Fahrenheit unit water boils at uh, which temperature? Yes, we know it, that is 100 degree centigrade, but our work is to convert it into degree Fahrenheit, right? And how will we do that? That is degree centigrade into 9 by 5 plus 32. That is equal to 100 into 9 by 5 plus 32. So we can cancel it with 12. 20 into 9, 180 plus 32. That is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. It is present in option A. Right. So you can remember it as well that in Fahrenheit unit water boils at 212 degree Fahrenheit. Got it? Yes, coming to the next question. In the morning, the temperature was minus 10 degrees centigrade and it decreased 3 degree by the evening. What was the temperature in the evening? Option A, minus 13 degrees centigrade. B, minus 7 degrees centigrade. C, minus 23 degrees centigrade. D, minus 12 degrees centigrade. So, in the morning, the temperature was minus 10 degrees centigrade and it decreased 3 degree by the evening. We have to find out what was the temperature in the evening. So initially in the morning it was minus 10 degrees centigrade. Again it is decreased by 3 degrees centigrade. Right? So minus 10 degrees centigrade minus 3 degrees centigrade, that is equal to minus 13 degrees centigrade. So by the evening the temperature is now minus 13 degrees centigrade. Okay, which is present in option A. Got it everyone? Coming to the next question. Which of the following temperature is the coldest? Option A, minus 9 degrees centigrade. B, 32 degrees centigrade. C, minus 5 degrees centigrade. So, we have to find out which of the following temperature is the coldest. So, how to find out the coldest temperature? It should be the lowest temperature, right? Lowest temperature, that is the coldest temperature. And if we compare 32 degrees centigrade, that is positive, so it cannot be the answer. Comparing minus 9 degrees centigrade and minus 5 degrees centigrade, which is having lower value. Yes, we know if it is negative integer, then negative number is there. Minus 9, minus 5, negative number are there. More the value of the number, the value is less. So minus 9 is less than minus 5. Okay. So here the coldest one is minus 9 degrees centigrade. Got it? Okay. Coming to the next question. 40 degrees centigrade warmer than 20 degrees centigrade equal to option A 60 degree, B 20 degree, C 10 degree. So 40 degrees centigrade warmer than 20 degrees centigrade. See, if it is telling you that it is cooler, you have to subtract the temperature. If it is telling it is warmer, you have to add the temperature. Okay, you have to increase it. So 40 degree centigrade warmer than 20 degree centigrade, that means 20 degree centigrade plus 40 degree centigrade. Okay, what will be the answer? It will be 60 degree centigrade, which is present in option A. Got it? Coming to the next question, temperature. mm, 10 degree cooler than 70 degree, that is option A 60 degree, B 40 degree, C 80 degree. So 10 degree cooler. I told you if it is cooler we have to subtract it. If it is hotter we have to add it. Okay. So 10 degree cooler than 70 degree. So 70 degree minus 10 degree, that is equal to 60 degree centigrade. Okay. So it is present in option A. Got it? Coming to the next question. Temperature suitable for wearing a woolen coat is option A 6 degrees centigrade, B 28 degrees centigrade, C 75 degrees centigrade. Okay. So we have to find the temperature suitable for wearing woolen coat. So first you tell me, when do we wear an woolen coat? Is it in hot? No, it is in cold, right? So if we try to compare this, we have to find out the lowest temperature. Okay, if you look at the options, 75 degrees centigrade, it is too hot, right? We cannot sustain that temperature, right? We cannot tolerate that temperature. 28 degrees centigrade, it is the normal temperature. We need not wear woolen coat. But when it is 6 degrees centigrade, it will be cold enough. So that we need to, we must wear the woolen coat at that time. Right? So correct answer is option A, that is the 6 degrees centigrade. Got it everyone? Coming to the next question. Which thermometer base represents the temperature 65 degree Fahrenheit? Option A, B, C, D, D. Okay. So we have to find out which temperature base represents the temperature 65 degree Fahrenheit. So this one is A, B, C, D. Okay. This side degree centigrade, this side degree Fahrenheit. Here degree centigrade, degree Fahrenheit, degree centigrade, degree Fahrenheit, degree centigrade, degree Fahrenheit. 65. Here it is, yes, somewhat it is about 65 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. And here it is 30 degree Fahrenheit. Here it is 15 degree. And here it is 85. Right. So we have to find the 65 and which is present in option A. Got it everyone? Yes. Okay. So this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay. So meet you soon. Bye bye everyone.